What's the meaning of blue collar? Blue collar. Blue collar.
Blue collar. Blue collar. The term blue collar refers to manual labor jobs that typically involve physical work and are often associated with lower levels of education and income. This classification derives from the traditional practice of identifying manual workers by the color of their uniforms, which were often blue in color. Blue-collar workers are often employed in industries such as manufacturing, construction, and transportation. They may perform tasks such as operating machinery, building structures, or repairing equipment. While blue-collar jobs have traditionally been seen as less prestigious than white-collar jobs, they play an important role in the economy and are essential to many industries and communities.